Hey everyone, what's going on? Back with another video, something a little bit different. It's not trading cards this time. So I picked these up when I went to Target the other day. They're little football players, and I guess you're supposed to collect every team. And then there's mascots that are like super rare that you can get those. I think this one's for Chicago. But, alright, so I'm going to open these. Of course, there's no spot to open it. So I got to use my teeth. So the first one out of, what did I get, 4 of them? Let's see what we got. Oh, you get 2 in each. So this one is for Dolphin fans. I'll be mad if this is a coupon in here and I bought 4 of them. Oh, I guess you can check off what you have already. Oh, and then these are super rare ones also. They're like $4 a pack. Oh, you can buy a collector set. Alright, so that one and this one is Steelers. I don't know why they have holes at the bottom. So, Dolphins and Steelers, that's the first pack. Then it comes with these puzzles. Alright. Second one, Jaguars. They're pretty cool. I could see myself collecting them. For $4 for 2 of them, that's not too bad. $2 a piece. And this one is the Saints. At least I think they make them in different races. I think it's supposed to be black guy. I'm not sure. Alright, I should probably turn them that way. Pack number 3. Jets. Maybe I could zoom in a little bit. That might help out. Alright, so Jets. Baltimore. I'm guessing too, like, no offense to anyone, the probably better teams are probably be the harder ones to get. I'm not saying which teams are the better teams, so you guys can decide. Alright, last pack. Let me know what you guys think about this. Maybe I'll get more of them to collect. For $4, like I said, for 2 of them, they're not too bad. Oh, the Giants. That's not bad. And the Rams. And a lot of the stuff I've been posting on my Instagram account, so I'll try and put a link there. Check it out. So like I said, this is what you get if you see these at Target. They're not bad. I like them. For some reason, I like the Dolphins one. And the Rams. That's a cool helmet. But there you go. And there's like ultra rare ones. 1 in 171. Oh, that's really close. Sorry. 1 in 500 metallic gold finish. Jesus. And then you get these puzzles. I'll work on the puzzle later because I don't know. And then if I finish it, I'll post it. Phillies throwback emerald. That's not bad. Maybe I'll try and collect them. At least try and get a gold one. But let me know what you guys think. Or you should pick these up when you go to Target. I'm sure Walmart has it too. Or it even says you can get like a whole tin of them. And there's supposed to be mascots, but I don't see anything about the mascots. Or you can get a locker room set. Alright, that's it for now. See you guys later. Let me know what you guys think.